Hello. After 5 minutes of sitting quietly in a resting state, my heart rate is about 66 beats per minute. My respirations are 14 breaths per minute, and my muscles in sitting are stabilized and ready to start the concentric contraction of standing and beginning to jog in place. After jogging in place for 3 minutes and continuing on with 3 minutes of push-ups, my physiological responses were as follows. My heart rate was 105 beats per minute. My heart rate increased by about 60%, putting me in my target heart rate for exercise efficiency. My respirations after physical activity were 35 reps per minute. I was breathing faster and heavier, but I was still able to talk. My muscles were fatigued and my quadriceps and triceps were shaky for a few minutes after activity. There was some burning sensation in my triceps from the tiny tears in the muscles from the activity. Adaptations that occur with long-term exercise in each of the following systems are as follows. For your respiratory system, an increase in pulmonary ventilation. This includes increased CO2 production, hydrogen ions, and temperatures in the blood throughout the body. Pulmonary diffusion is improved through the increase of the surface of the alveoli. The increase in tidal volume through the amount of air that is inspired and expired with each breath. For the cardiovascular system, the cardiac output increases with physical fitness, which helps to meet the oxygen demands for work. Heart rate and stroke volume determines the cardiac output. With the increase in cardiac output, blood flow is also increased during exercise to activate the skeletal muscles. Blood pressure is increased systolically, which resets the arterial baroflex to a higher pressure. This allows the body to avoid severe arterial hypotension during intense activity. For the neuromuscular system, skeletal muscle can be increased in both size and muscle fiber recruitment with resistance training. Ligaments and tendons can become stronger with prolonged exercise, which increases strength and avoids injury. The capacity of skeletal muscle to store glycogen can be increased by endurance training. And that is my presentation. Thank you.